Hello crafty friend, it's Mona here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am going to show you how I created this sweet pastel slimline card with cats and melons. For this project I will use these cute cat images from the Purrfect Day Stamp set by Heffy Doodle, as well as this melon image from the Treat Yourself stamp set. I think it's so much fun to mix animal stamps with fruit images. I stamped the images with lighter brown alcohol marker friendly ink pad called Gingerbread. I used this color because I wanted to achieve a softer look for the images. I stamped the cats and melons more times with my Misty. When I accidentally misstamp an image, I just reposition it and stamp the actual image one more time. And I mark the wrong one with an X, not to color it accidentally, because I tend to forget and I color it anyways. Now I am making a basic light beige color blend on the images with my Spectrum Noir Illustrator markers. I am starting with the darkest color called apricot. It's a warmer light brown color. I am just adding the shadows where I want to, not overthinking it because this coloring will be very light. Now switching to a bit lighter color called pale tan and blending it with the previous shade. I am doing the coloring process on my small maker station because I like when my cardstock is fixed with magnet. My next color is cream and I am doing exactly the same blending, and I try not to color the entire image because I want to keep it light. In the end, I am blending it together with the blender from the center of the image. As always, I am repeating the entire process again, even if it will be a light coloring, because this will give to my colors the perfect contrast what I like. Now I am adding finishing touches to the coloring with white pencil. Currently I am using Prismacolor white, but any white pencil is great for these soft lights. Next I am adding whiskers. I really like that they are divided, so you have the opportunity to add them where you want, and you can stamp it with different color as well. After the whiskers, I also added white highlights with white pen. I also colored some cute melons as well. I mixed pink and peachy pink shades to get this cute pastel look. You can find the used colors as well as the used supplies in the video description box below. Once the coloring was done, I ran the images through my mini die cutting machine with the coordinating dies. I have also prepared Slimline die cuts with the Stitch Slimline Trio dies. For the cardstock colors, visit the supply list in the description box. I have also created a white scalloped die cut with the Slimline pull tab dies. These two die sets coordinate together well, and now these Slimline die sets are on sale in the Heffy shop, so it's worth to check them out. Anyway, I marked the windows on the white cardstock with pencil as a guide for ink blending. I made on it a quick ink blending with Doodle pink ink pad from Catherine Pooler, as well as with Spun Sugar Distress Oxide ink. Next I splattered on it with clear water and white watercolor as well and let it air dry. After this I stamped the Have a Purrfect Day sentiment from the Purrfect Day stamp set with watermark ink to the pastel peach die cut. Then I heat embossed with white embossing powder. I have also created 4 die cuts with the Hello World die from white cardstock. I added them together for more depth, and now I have everything prepared to finish my card. I just added the pieces together with different types of adhesive. I have a fun fact for today too. For this card I was inspired by these socks. They are so cute. Please let me know in your comment what was your craziest inspiration ever for a card. If you are following me on Instagram, be sure to check my stories and posts often. I like to give my active followers, and this time I will send this card for a lucky one with these socks and with extra surprise. If you like this inspiration, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me a lot and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!